Hello everybody, and welcome to this video on adding crowdfunding campaigns to your Unstack website. So if you have an Unstack website and you'd like to add crowdfunding campaigns or capabilities to it, I'm going to show you how you can do this, the steps that you can take, and a demo on the steps that I've explained. So what are the steps that it takes to add these crowdfunding campaigns or capabilities to your Unstack website? First, you'll need to subscribe to an Atlas subscription plan. There's several different plans that you could choose from there, so choose a plan that's going to suit your needs the best. Step 2, create the crowdfunding campaign and then copy the widget code. Once you've done that, you'll actually have to make some additional changes to the widget code. You'll have to add some styling and also add a link in there as well. And I'll show you how to do that in the demo video. Step 4, you can create a new page on your Unstack website and then paste the widget code. You could run as many crowdfunding campaigns as you'd like, and you can modify them to the full extent using the administrator dashboard, the front-end source code, and Thrnish's in-house developers at an hourly rate. I'm going to show you guys the steps that I've just explained right here in a demo video, so stay tuned and watch the demo video.